Привет, дорогие друзья, вы на канале Sound Team Кизляр. Сегодня мы на таком прекрасном фоне снимаем в городе Лермонтов, это Ставропольский край. И сегодня у нас открытие Russian Sound Tournament.
Run through sets, come through sets. Chicks hypnotized by my 1-2 steps. I'm way too fresh, so complex. Niggas try to predict what I'm gonna do next. Let's get the party started. Far from a motherfucking starving artist. Got something to prove, no talk it, walk it. My niggas outside on the walk it, talking. Pop that trunk, pass that Dutch. Let's get crunk, baby, don't play dumb, baby, don't say none. It's on me, Louis 13 and that Chris on me. Downs wall to wall in the VIP, but age don't mean a thing, I ain't Chi-Ali. I bring them out with no ID, them bros I bring them out like I'm T.I.P. Don't stop, let's rock, come on.
Let me prepare your world. Let me see the backside of your move. No Vickies, only La Pearl. Let me take you to Indonesia.
I'll take you places you ain't never been before.
Nobody can reach us. There's no need to take your phone.
You don't need to take your phone,
Cause you far away from home. Baby, let me be your tour guide.
I'll be your tour guide.
I'm your burgers, you my fries.
Hey yo,
Now I stay
Twister.
ready for action when I attack on the track and I fire up a sack on strapping the Cadillac in the glove. Compartment when you start shit with the ambassador of New York and the queen of the shot, and I'm back in the Flow be ugly, but it's a beautiful thing. Aluminum range, get money like I'm moving them things. I got connects in every section when I'm up in the hood. Chain looking so nasty, all the bitches going Heard they wanna get me, but I got my guns cocked. I'm dirty, riding 30 something cars like Young Jock. I'm the talk of the town, letting off 50 rounds. Meet me in the circle, everybody is going down. Get you hypnotic to get you erotic, and then I take you somewhere exotic where we can rock like a full clip for the drama. You know I ain't a hoe. Snatch your bitch, come in, little mama. You know you wanna go.
Girl.
Don't stop, let's rock, come on now.
Let me prepare your
turn up.
world.
I'm on the
Make sure
city
Mike
with
is
nothing
out.
pretty and everybody knows. Spit a
Yeah.
flow to get up with Diddy and now we finna blow. Niggas in the hood, show me love, I'm the go. Pep, take, let me The flow so sick, with her ass so fat. It's trying to twist and diddy with TEAM on the track. You know we gotta be taken with 20s on the leg. See him looking at me like, what's up? But I was hit low in the club.
Come here, girl.
Don't stop, just rock, come on.
Let me prepare your world. Let me see the backside of your moon. No Vickies, only La Pearls. Let me take you to Indonesia, where nobody can reach us. There's no need to take your phone, cause you far away from home.
Feels like we flying, right? I ain't never felt like this before. I like this.
Take your soul,
You like it?
soul.
Let's go. Interrupt this hot motherfucking album that y'all are presently listening to hear a few words from our generous sponsor. We'll be back after this brief message. Stay tuned.
Get out, you can't be in here. You have to get out. I implore you, please. You're all going to die down here.
It's life or death, either one. The king is back, take heed and run. I then take a shit down your beats for fun. I killed the game, I ain't even use it. Who better than me? Don't make me laugh. I run the shoot, they just chase my. I ain't talking shit, just telling the facts. I think all the tracks I'm hearing from this is whack. I be hearing these what they saying they rhyme. I took my spot, nobody gave me mine. I make the beats that boom 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 in their trunks. You disagree, homie, then go on and jump. You can bump, you can say what you want. That's all you gon' do, cause you niggas is punk. I'm number one, you ain't number shoot. When they need a hit, I'm who they come to get. Talk to me.
If you got love for me, I got love for you. If you don't fuck with me, I'll fuck with you. We can do it however you wanna do. If you don't fuck with me, I'll fuck with you. Go ahead, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Go, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Do it yourself.
If I was you, I would've feel myself.
Go, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Go, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Do it yourself.
If I was you, I would've feel myself. I'm tired of niggas. Niggas is tired. You ain't a G, I see bitch in your eyes. If you close to me, you supposed to be. But most of you rap is hold to me. Wherever you from, the question I ask is, do you think I give a fuck? Riddle me that. Visit my hood and you done been the hell and back. This industry shit, with that. I seen them come, I seen them go. I doubt if you can show me something I ain't seen before. Who's supposed to be in charge? I need to know. When I shake your hand, I'ma step on your toe. Go get your gun, go get your click. I'ma be right here chilling with your bitch. You mad at me? Cause I'm getting rich. Well, put the to your head and empty the
If you got love for me, I got love for you. If you don't fuck with me, I'll fuck with you. We can do it however you wanna do. If you don't fuck with me, I'll fuck with you. Go ahead, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Go, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Do it yourself.
If I was you, I would've feel myself.
Go, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Go, do it yourself. Do it yourself. Do it yourself.
If I
heart, feel my pain. Some is stars, some is lames. How they follow little trends to get their fame. I ain't snap my fingers to get in the game. You claim you rich,